Welcome to Libra Networks Radio, the podcast created with artificial intelligence where we discuss how to launch or enhance your online business. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that might sound scary to some of you, artificial intelligence. Specifically, I'm going to discuss how you can reinvent yourself in the face of this rapidly evolving technology. But first, as always, I remind you that if you visit the LibraNetworks.com website, you can access the best premium plugins and themes to launch your online business with WordPress. Total access to download the tools used by the best professionals, with updates included, unlimited domains, all for only $10 a month. Visit LibraNetworks.com and I'll explain everything to you. And now, let's go with today's topic. You see, AI is changing the world in ways we never thought possible. It's already transformed industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, and it's only going to continue to do so. And while this might sound intimidating, I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to fear. In fact, I believe that AI presents us with incredible opportunities to reinvent ourselves and our careers. Now, before we dive into how to do that, let's first take a moment to talk about what AI is and what it's capable of. At its core, AI is a technology that enables machines to learn and make decisions based on data. It's often referred to as machine learning, and it's what powers everything from chatbots to self-driving cars. But AI is more than just a buzzword. It's already changing the way we work and live, and it's only going to become more important in the years to come. In fact, a recent study by McKinsey found that by 2030, up to 375 million workers around the world may need to switch occupations due to automation and AI. Now, that might sound alarming, but I want to emphasize that this doesn't mean that we're all going to be out of a job. Instead, it means that we need to adapt and evolve in order to stay relevant in the workforce. And that's what I want to talk about today, how to reinvent yourself in the face of AI. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is embrace the technology. Don't be afraid of it. Instead, learn everything you can about it. AI is constantly evolving, and as such, we need to be constantly learning and adapting to keep up. This means being open to new ideas, technologies, and ways of working. Read articles, attend conferences, and take courses. The more you know about AI, the better positioned you'll be to take advantage of its opportunities. The next step is to identify how AI is impacting your industry and your job specifically. Look for areas where AI can augment or even replace certain tasks, and then think about how you can adapt to these changes. For example, if you work in customer service, you might find that chatbots are starting to handle more and more inquiries. Instead of seeing this as a threat, think about how you can become an expert in the technology that powers these chatbots, or how you can use your human touch to provide personalized and high-quality service. The third step is to develop new skills. This is critical if you want to stay relevant in the age of AI. Identify the skills that are in high demand in your industry and start building them. This might mean taking courses, attending workshops, or even pursuing a new degree. Some of the most in-demand skills in the age of AI include data analysis, coding, and digital literacy. The fourth step is to focus on developing your soft skills. These are the skills that can't be easily replicated by machines, such as creativity, empathy, and communication. While AI is great at performing repetitive, routine tasks, it's not so great at skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. By developing these skills, you can set yourself apart from AI and future-proof your career. In fact, according to a recent report by the World Economic Forum, emotional intelligence and social skills are expected to become even more valuable in the age of AI. So, don't neglect your soft skills. These are what will set you apart from the machines. It's also important to recognize that AI is not a monolith. There are different types of AI, each with its own strengths and limitations. For example, machine learning algorithms are great at processing large amounts of data and identifying patterns, but they're not so good at understanding context or making complex decisions. On the other hand, natural language processing algorithms are great at understanding language and responding to queries, but they struggle with ambiguity and nuance. By understanding the strengths and limitations of different AI technologies, you can identify areas where you can add value and specialize in a particular niche. For example, if you're a data scientist, you might specialize in developing algorithms that can handle unstructured data, like images or videos. Or, if you're a marketer, you might specialize in using AI to personalize customer experiences and improve engagement. The fifth step is to network and collaborate. In addition to developing new skills and specializations, it's also important to embrace new ways of working. As AI becomes more prevalent, the traditional 9-to-5 office job may become a thing of the past. Instead, we may see more remote work, flexible schedules, and project-based work. This new way of working will require new skills, such as communication, collaboration, and project management. It will also require a willingness to embrace new technologies, such as virtual collaboration tools and project management software. The age of AI is one of constant change and disruption, so it's important to build a network of like-minded professionals who can help you navigate this new world. Look for opportunities to collaborate with others in your industry, attend meetups and conferences, and join online communities. By working together, you can share knowledge and insights and help each other succeed. The sixth step is to be flexible and adaptable. In the age of AI, things are changing at a rapid pace, and what worked yesterday might not work today. So, it's important to be able to pivot and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't be afraid to try new things, and be open to feedback and constructive criticism. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow and evolve. The seventh and final step is to stay curious and curiouser. It's important to remember that AI is not just about work. It's also changing the way we live and interact with the world around us. For example, AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are becoming more and more prevalent in our homes, and AI-powered personalization is changing the way we shop, watch movies, and listen to music. To stay ahead of these changes and take advantage of the opportunities presented by AI, it's important to be proactive and curious. Take the time to explore new technologies and ways of working. Seek out learning opportunities, whether it's through online courses, workshops, or conferences. And most importantly, be willing to adapt and evolve as AI continues to change the world around us. Ultimately, the key to reinventing yourself in the face of AI is to embrace change and see it as an opportunity, not a threat. By developing new skills, specializing in a niche, embracing new ways of working, and being proactive about ethical considerations, you can position yourself for success in a world where AI is increasingly prevalent. So, don't be afraid of AI. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to your advantage. With the right mindset and approach, the possibilities are endless. The age of AI is an exciting time to be alive, and there's always something new to learn and discover. So, stay curious and keep exploring. Read books and articles, watch TED Talks, listen to podcasts, and never stop learning. The more you know, the more opportunities you'll have to innovate and create. So, there you have it, 7 steps to reinventing yourself in the face of artificial intelligence. Embrace the technology, identify how it's impacting your industry, develop new skills, focus on your soft skills, network and collaborate, be flexible and adaptable, and stay curious. By following these steps, you can not only survive but thrive in the age of AI. Remember, the future is what we make of it, and by embracing AI and adapting to its changes, we can create a better, more exciting future for ourselves and for society as a whole. So, don't be afraid of the future. Embrace it and use it as an opportunity to reinvent yourself and your career. All right, that's it for today. I hope it has helped you learn something new. Thank you very much to all those who support the podcast, especially to all those who subscribe to LibreNetworks.com. Thanks for being there every day. Without you, none of this would be possible. And before I go, remember that you can also subscribe to the newsletter where every day you will receive a tip, news, a reflection on online entrepreneurship, on life, you know. We already have over 2,000 people signed up. LibreNetworks.com/newsletter. It's free to sign up and unsubscribe if you're not interested. Again, thank you for listening, and good luck on your journey. See you at the next.